Okay, I'm staying at the Bluesotel Krabi. The beach is about a kilometre that way. Well, this is the main drag, all the shops and the bars and everything else. Arrived a bit early. Had to wait until 12 o'clock to check in, which is good. Usually check-in is 12 o'clock. Here for 6 days or so. Got a cafe, restaurant, and that's the reception there. So the restaurant is just here and the pool is just here. So far the staff have been really friendly, really good. There's a bar in the pool, which is really good. I do. I squeeze, yeah. They have an internet here you can use, computers. So they got a spa too, Blue Orchard Spa. It's got a gym, I'm not going to go in, there's people in there. Right. There's another part, so before we're just over there where the bar is. There's another part, all these rooms have access to the pool. Pretty good. Righto, so here I am. Quick tour of the room. Room safe, beach towel, shower, toilet with a bum gun, bathtub, everything you need. Little fridge, complimentary coffee, water, soft bed, very soft bed. So it's TV, good sized balcony, another view from here. Yeah, pretty good. I'll put a link in the for the prices and stuff. Booking.com. Krabi here for 6 nights. Anyway, good to go. If you have any questions, just ask me about Krabi in general and Long Beach area. Tomorrow I'm going to do all the islands. I've got a couple of islands booked. Yeah, anyway, excited. Uru. Just going to do a short walk down towards the beach. Have a look at the local wildlife. There's a Holiday Inn resort across the road there. Amazon Cafe. So this hotel, really close to everything. Staff are really friendly, really nice. Anyway, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Yes, it's only about a 5-minute walk, and you can see the beach. The beach is just there. It's got a good vibe to this place. Anyway, see what happens at night time. It's got everything. It's got a Subway, McDonald's, Burger King. It's a good Thai places. Why would I don't know why would you come to another country, eat McDonald's and Burger King, but anyway. This main street here called Soyanong 17. Alright, that's Anong Beach, Krabi, Thailand. This is basically the stepping off point for all the islands. So there's tours, people everywhere here. You do all the Phi Island, all the other tours, kayaking, elephants, everything you need. But yeah, there's a plethora of tours, shops. Just go in there, book a tour. Some of them are full days, most of them are half a days. My hotel is just right there. Anyway, I'm off to eat. Enjoy.
International Boxing Stadium.